by magpies. They're all in the tree right around me. Heaps of people are afraid of them. But they're quite friendly birds. They pick up on your vibe. They know if you're there to hurt them, I think. Yeah, too. Although you're getting a bit close. I'm not here to hurt you, I'm just filming. Yeah. You the boss, are you? I think you're the boss. You're the protector one. Look at them all. Everywhere.
Are you the